Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here this is LG front load fully automatic washing machine. Now I am going to show you how to choose wash cycle, that is how to select wash programs around it here. But if you want to know how to use these three compartments in this detergent tray or how to use machine's display settings here, I have given the complete video demo link in the description below and end screens and iCards also. Okay, let me show you how to use these wash cycles. Here are some wash cycles options around it, like cotton large and mix options. The machine takes the cotton wash program by default here, but we can scroll through this option and we can manually select the wash program depending on the class you add to the machine. Here it takes cotton option by default. You can choose this cotton option when you want to wash cotton type of cloths. If this cotton option is selected, it takes 1 hour and 25 minutes to complete the washing. And in this display we can check the washing time also, how long it takes to wash your clothes after starting the machine or when you select the wash program here. Next, this is the cotton large wash program. You can choose this option if you want to add a heavy load of cotton type of cloths like blankets to the machine. Next is the mix option here. You can choose it regularly, that is if you want to add all type of cloths in washing drum, you can select this mix option. If you select this option, it will take 1 hour 10 minutes to wash your clothes. Next, here is easy care wash program. If you want to wash without ironing clothes after washing is completed, you can select this wash program. Next, here is baby care wash cycle. When you have small kids under 1 or 2 years of age, their clothes more likely to be used regularly. You can select this option when you put their clothes separately in the machine washing drum. If you choose this baby care wash cycle, it will take more than 3 hours to wash their clothes. Next, here is rinse plus spin option. Normally after starting the machine, machine will wash, rinse and spin these 3 cycles. You can choose this wash program when you need both rinse and spin cycles apart from the first wash cycle. Next, here is quick 30 wash option. Compared to the other wash programs here, it washes in less time in 30 minutes. You can choose this option when you add less cloths to the machine washing drum or when the cloths have less dirt or stains. Next option is wool option. If you want to wash wool type of cloths like sweaters, you can choose this wash program. Next, this is delicate wash option. If you want to wash delicate type of cloths like if you want to wash any work sarees, you can choose this wash program. Next, here is sportswear wash option. If you want to wash sports type of clothes, you can choose this sportswear wash program. In this video I explained how to use these wash programs completely. We can start the machine after selecting the wash cycle depending on the cloths we are going to put in the machine. Okay friends, please share your feedback about this video in the comment section below, and if you have any doubts about this machine or any washing machine, you can also comment in below comment section. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel.